What you doing, Elsie? Hey, Dimples. What's going on? Trying to get a hold of that book? What about your own book? Where's your doggy? What about your dog? Those books aren't yours. Those are Mama's books. Those are Mama's books. Where's your doggy? Are you so happy you just can't stand it?